Hey guys, it is 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning, and we finally got to Art of Animation, so let's get checked in. Alright, so as you can tell, the lobby is stunning. It's probably one of the most themed, I'd say, lobbies in all of the parks. They do a lot of sketches, and just the color palette's really beautiful. Luckily, the desk is open all night, so we're gonna get checked into our rooms. So we're checked in. I'm pretty sure they upgraded us to the Lion King suite because we had the Little Mermaid suite booked, and we're staying in the Lion King building. Now, it's not often that you get to see the lobby without a ton of people in it, but it's really pretty. Morning. Now, this place is huge. It is kind of the sister studio to, whatchamacallit, Pop Century, where we usually stay. And it was supposed to be another Century resort, but they turned it into this. I gotta look and see where we're going. We're gonna go that way. We got a little bit of a walk. And we'll take you around the resort in the daytime too, so you can see it. But let's go check out the room. Oh, look at the little gecko lizard. It does help that everything's so themed and animated here, because otherwise I feel like we'd have a really hard time finding our room. And if you're gonna check in super late, like we were supposed to check in yesterday around, 10 p.m.? It's now. There's not usually an issue. There's Rafiki.
I will say, it's quite
Peaceful at 4 o'clock in the morning. There's nobody out, there's no traffic. Cards. Apparently it doesn't change colors, it just flashes, so you know. Okay, 6532. Oh, we're on the first floor. 6530. Oh, okay. I love these little light fixtures. They're super cute. I'm gonna try not to be too loud. Oh wow, we're close to that entryway too. All right, you guys, this is our room. Let's go check it out. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. This is actually one of the family suites. So this one has 3 suites. There's the Finding Nemo, the Lion King, and Cars. And then the Little Mermaid room, which is what we originally booked, is the regular suite. So this is great. It is a table with some cool chairs, and then we can pull this out and turn it into a little day bed. And I love these little end tables here. The theming of the safari. And all the like little grubs and bugs. If we pull this down. Aww. We got teenager Simba napping. I guess he's more adult Simba. So this is really cute. So if you have a family, you're gonna get a separate room plus this. Let's check out that living room. We've got some seating here, some extra storage, which is smart because this is also the hangar area. So you can put your stuff here. Haley and Darnell party. Again, super lovely thing. And even the cabinets have this cool cutout. Lots of storage. Again, great for families because it's a family suite. You've got your chargers here, regular chargers plus your ports. No C ports, just USB, it looks like. Lovely curtains. The view of the first floor we're at. Can't see a whole lot tonight, so we'll show you the day view. But it overlooks the lake, so that's nice. Love this side table lamp, very cute. It also has the Hey Disney feature that they just started. No, please don't start talking. It's too much right now. You got your phone, you got your couch, so family can hang out here. That also pulls into a bed. Cute themed little footrest. You can also use them as tables. It comes with a fridge, kitchenette, sink, microwave. You've got some paper plates, cups, ice bin, tea, coffee maker, under counter storage. I also love this recyclable trash duo. Thank you, Disney. We'll check out the bathroom. Sliding door. Nice little mirror. Sink. Again, they really like this like cut out, but I think it works. We got our hair dryer. What is this? Oh, wastebasket. I was like, it looks so short. Tissues, towels, soap. Okay, I will say, I feel like this toilet is really short to the ground. I know. Timon and Pumbaa. I don't know who else you'd want on a shower curtain. Ooh. Savannah, sunset or sunrise. Gorgeous. I'm guessing that's sunrise because it's brighter. But it could be either. And let's check out the main room. All right, so we have our own separate room here. I have another TV, storage. You got your safe in here, ironing board, extra pillows, little suitcase storage. We have this nice bed with Zazu as the headboard, side table lamp. Again, ports on the side, table, another view, same thing. And then, oh, here we go. This toilet still looks short, but we have a nice family bathroom. It's a little bigger. Still have the sunset theme. Same mirror, same cutout. So this is just bigger. You got your hooks. You got a nice designed glass door. It looks like it probably should be cleaned a little bit. You got a mirror in the back. You also have, if you need a makeup mirror, check your hair, this pulls out from the side. Overall, this is a really great space. Love that we got an upgrade from here. That's wonderful. Disney did that. Yeah, so you're gonna see a lot more resorts coming up, but let us know if you would stay here and what questions you have. Otherwise, have a great night, you guys. We're gonna get some sleep and we'll see you later. Bye.